The fourth one on my list is going to surprise you actually. You wouldn't think of it. It is popular, but you probably might not have heard it before. Ayo, thank you so much for popping in. If you're new here, I am Sendipsy, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 alternatives to shampoo. Let's say you run out of shampoo or you have broke, students, you're on a budget, or you just want to stay away from shampoos. In quote, if you're on this table, you're already covered, because I am here to help you embrace your natural hair by showing you how to get a healthy natural hair in the most economical way possible. Yeah, that's right. So I actually have 5 alternatives to shampoo on my list, and the fourth one on my list is going to surprise you actually. You wouldn't think of it. It is popular, but you probably might not have heard it before. Number 1, using baking soda. Some of us actually have baking soda in the house, so it is pretty easy. You discover that you do not have shampoo in the house and you need to wash your hair. Just go to your cabinet, bring out your baking soda. Then you want to mix 1 part of baking soda to about 3 to 4 parts of water. You're going to apply this directly on your scalp and on your hair. Then let it sit for just a minute or 2 minutes, no more than that. Baking soda can actually be damaging, so you do not want it to stay in your hair for long. After 1 or 2 minutes, just rinse it out completely. Your hair is going to be squeaky clean. Tell you. Now, this is not something you want to do all the time. No, only do it when desperate times calls for desperate means. The second alternative is to use herbal shampoo. I actually have a video of Shikaikai shampoo that I've used in my hair. It washes your hair pretty clean, like you use shampoo, and there are other herbs you can use. There is Rita I can add to your Shikaikai. If I just Google herbal shampoo, you're going to find a whole lot of recommendations for you. So if you do not want to use store-bought shampoo anymore, just go on with herbal shampoo. You have to check this video out. The third one on my list is to do your own shampoo, your DIY shampoo with black soap. There are thousands or millions of black soap shampoo recipe on YouTube already that you can try out, and I also have a video of a DIY black soap shampoo that you can also use as shower gel on this channel, so please check it out. Now, the benefit of making your own product or making your own shampoo is because you can control what you put in it. You can customize it to your hair needs. Basically that, and black soap is actually free of chemicals, so what you need is to add some oils to it and you are good, sis, you're good. Now, number 4 is, guess what, you probably seen it, but maybe you haven't seen it, you haven't heard of it. It's to wash your hair with water only. No shampoo, no herbs, no baking soda, just water. And if you want to switch to water only method of washing your natural hair, you want to start right by clarifying your hair, making sure that all the dirt or the build-ups are no longer there. And water only method usually means you'll be washing your hair like every day. So if that is okay for you, you can be washing your hair every day or every other day if you really do not have that time. Then you want to start with warm water, then complete it with cold water. You will really need to do your own research on how to use water only for washing your hair, and I think this is just so perfect if you do not want to spend any more money on shampoo. But do not forget, things works differently on people, so you want to try it out and see if it's something you would be doing, you want to continue with, and just give it a try. Number 5, which is the last but not the least, is clay wash. Any clay you can lay your hands on actually washes the hair perfectly well. And the good thing is you can also use clay on your skin. I've been using clay on my skin recently, it's really helping me to control the oil in my face, but I'm not talking about skin right now. Bentonite clay is going to remove dirt and impurities or the buildups in your hair, your scalp, and all of that, and you can use it to revive that your dull looking hair. It is very good. And how to use it: you're going to take 1 part of bentonite clay and mix it with like 4 parts of water, or to consistency that you want, but not too thick and not too thin, maybe like yogurt consistency. You can use ACV in your mixture, like 1 part of ACV, 3 parts of water, 1 part of bentonite clay. But if you don't have ACV, water alone is also perfect. Actually, you're going to apply it on your scalp, massage it in your scalp and your hair, and cover it up for about 20 minutes, then rinse it up. My dear sis, my dear bro, brethren and sister, you won't believe how clean your hair is going to come out. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I hope that you learned something new, and if you're going to try this thing out, let me know how it turns out for you. If you're new on this channel, thank you so much for joining the congregation. I am the only saint here, and you are the brethren. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you can always know when I upload a new video. And please remember to like this video and also share with your friends that we have broke together. We like to do the basic things to get our hair healthy and beautiful. Thank you so much once again, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.